Hey guys, Leah here from Unbox, and this is the OPPO F11. This is a regular version. A couple of weeks ago, nag-release kami ng video nung Pro version, yun yung may pop-up camera, and some of you guys thought that it was really cool kasi full screen display, wala siyang notch, wala siyang punch hole, although meron ding mga nagsabi ng concerns about the phone kasi may moving parts. So, paano kung may mag-breakdown, masisira na yung pop-up camera, paano kung mabagsak? And yeah, we fully understand because phones are an investment, so dapat lang talaga na tumagal siya. So, that's probably why OPPO came up with the F11. Ito yung no gimmick version. So, as you can see, hindi siya full screen display. Meron siyang tiny notch. I believe they call it the water drop notch. And in our opinion, kahit na mas cool yung Pro version because of all the bells and whistles, we think that this is the more practical choice between the two. And we came up with 6 reasons. First is whether you buy the Pro version or the regular version, you get the same chipset, you get the same RAM and storage. So they both run on the Helio P70 processor, may 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. That's expandable up to 256GB. So in terms of performance, parehong-pareho lang silang dalawa. So when the guys of the team tested it out for gaming, they said that it could handle most mobile games. Although sa PUBG, they did notice na nag-medium quality siya. But for my usage, I don't game so much, but syempre, I post a lot sa social media, I use a lot of Viber, of Facebook Messenger, email, but yung mga ganong day-to-day tasks, no problem, kahit na i-multitask mo pa siya, kayang-kaya ng phone. The second reason is you get the same display. So again, regardless kung anong F11 yung meron ka, yung Pro o itong regular, you get a full HD plus LCD display. Of course, the difference is yun nga, full screen yung isa, this one hindi. But apart from that, okay, fine. Size-wise, may very small difference sila. So the Pro is 6.53 inches. Itong non-Pro is 6.5 inches. But I don't know, may makakapansin pa ba nun? But in terms of color and picture quality, it's actually pretty good. Take note though na hindi siya AMOLED. The viewing angles are okay, dun medyo but otherwise, overall, the display is really good. The third reason is if you're leaning towards the F11 Pro because of the cameras and you think na mas maganda yung picture quality niya kaysa dito sa regular F11, actually, parehong-pareho lang yung cameras nila. For the rear, you get 48 megapixels with an aperture of f1.8 and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. For the selfie camera, 16 megapixels siya with an aperture of f2.0. Pareho silang may night mode. So in terms of picture quality, you'll get exactly the same thing. Again, the difference lang is walang pop-up camera itong F11. But otherwise, same banana. Fourth is they both have face unlock and a fingerprint scanner at the back right there, which from experience is pretty fast and accurate. I mean, it's not a secret. I've mentioned it in previous videos. Mas gusto ko yung mga capacitive fingerprint scanner at the back kaysa yung mga in-display. So, actually pretty like this feature. Fifth is they're made out of the same material. So if you think na yung Pro version is made out of glass kasi mas premium, actually pareho lang silang polycarbonate plastic. Although I must say na ang ganda ng treatment ng OPPO, it does look like glass and I think it's a color. They just really know how to make their phones look fashionable. So yeah, this looks pretty good and the Pro one looks pretty good as well. So still though, plastic pa rin to guys, so we highly recommend na gamitin nyo yung jelly case that comes with a box when you buy one kasi syempre plastic, it's still more prone to scratches. The last reason is the battery. So, slightly smaller yung battery ng Pro version, 4,000 mAh siya. This one is 4,020 mAh. I know, yeah, may slight difference, pero pag ginagamit, hindi na rin naman siya napapansin. Both phones can handle a full day's worth of use. Kahit na heavy user ka pa, you won't need to top up in the middle of the day. So, that's a good thing. However, ayan, micro USB pa rin siya guys. Sorry, I know we're hoping na Type-C na sana siya, but well, that's life. But if it's any consolation, meron siyang VOOC 3.0 fast charging, so it should still top up faster. So the bottom line is the F11 Pro and the F11 are essentially the same. Yung pinaka-difference lang talaga is the pop-up camera and the full screen display. And of course, the price. Yung Pro version is 18,990 pesos. Yung F11 is 15,990 pesos. So 3,000 din yung difference na yon. And that's one of the reasons also kaya sa tingin namin, ito yung mas practical na choice. Having said that, if you are looking for a phone within that price point, medyo marami din kayong options eh. There's a Huawei P13 Lite, there's a Pocophone F1. So I guess ang masasabi lang namin is choose wisely, spend your money wisely, and personally, I really hope na nakakatulong kami sa purchasing decisions nyo by giving you the information that you need and by sharing our honest opinions sa mga phones na nahahawakan namin dito sa channel. In case you haven't noticed, mas nagtatagalog kami dito sa video. That's because we received some requests na sana Unbox would, come up with Tagalog videos every now and then. So, yeah, actually, that's about it. If you like it, show us some love, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. And, before I forget, namimigay pala kami ngayon ng Marvel cases for S10, yung kay Captain America and kay Spider-Man. We will link the video somewhere on screen para alam nyo kung paano sumali. So, good luck to you guys. I hope you get the case ng favorite ninyong Marvel superhero. And it's a Friday night. Enjoy the weekend. Have a good one. This is Leia. Bye!